Everyone's Dr. Morales, coming back at you from my home office, answering frequently asked questions related to plastic surgery. And this one's also related to bodybuilding. So I get a lot of these now since I'm obviously, this is one of my hobbies, and I promote it on, I kind of shared my love of the sport with my wife on social media, so you guys know that I'm a professional bodybuilder in classic physique. I've been doing this for 5 years now, and I've been a plastic surgeon for now 9 years, and just an aesthetic surgeon, so I do this quite a bit. So I think I have a little bit more experience in this than most plastic surgeons who just do breast augmentation. So the question of the day is how much breast fat and how much breast volume would I lose during prep for a bodybuilding show? I don't know. It depends on your body habitus. Like, it depends how lean you are already. It depends on how much breast tissue you have naturally. And that's really up to you. I can't tell you that specifically. I can give you examples, but I can't really tell you how much your breasts are gonna change. Until you should go through it. So go through prep and go through a show and then see how much cup size you lose, and that'll give you an idea. Cup size for most women is gonna be like 100 cc's or so. And most bras. So that's a whole different topic, but it's around 100 cc's or so. So like for my example is my wife. My wife, in the off season, she wears like maybe a double D. She's like D, double D maybe. And then when she goes into prep, she gets down to like a C. So, she doesn't, really fall off the wagon in the off season. It's just a little bit, has a little more body fat on her. She has a little more breast tissue on her. It's what it is in off season. She has breast augmentation, so she has implants. And so women who are bodybuilders feel like they, if you don't have anything, you can get completely deflated. So you have really just very, very minimal breast tissue. And some women choose to have breast augmentation, restore some of that fullness and look a little more feminine. That's a whole different topic. You make that decision. I'm not here to tell you need breast implants. Just do whatever you want to do. I'm just here to tell you my experience for taking care of all women. But my wife, typically you can see it, like when she's in prep, and it's really just she's really just kind of skinning the implant. I mean, she gets really, really lean. So without that volume of the implant, she would have lost all her kind of shape of her breasts from the deflation of having two of my children. So that's how that works. I can't tell you exactly how much you're gonna lose, but it's really proportional to your body fat percentage you already have naturally. So how do you find out? Just go through a prep, see what happens, and if you decided to breast augmentation, and you kind of have that in the back of your head, like how much am I gonna lose? Did I lose 2 cup sizes, stuff like that? And let me know, and I can give you a better idea of like maybe what size implant will to maintain a little bit fuller breast during the leanest part of the season. So great question. Thank you for sending that one over, and stay tuned for next week.